Good day, everyone. Myself, Shamyuktha Jayprakash Periyannan, intern at Lawminds. This presentation deals with an important civic and legal issue, which is how to report illegal constructions of buildings, and most importantly, how citizens can lawfully report such violations. Through this presentation, I will briefly explain what constitutes illegal construction, why it is a legal issue, the procedure to report it, and the remedies available under the law. Before going into the topic, let's see what is illegal construction. Illegal construction refers to any building activity carried out in violation of statutory requirements. This may include constructing a building without obtaining prior approval from the municipal authority or deviating from the sanctioned building plan. Often, violations also take the form of unauthorized additional floors, encroachment upon public land, or changing the permitted land use, such as converting a residential building into a commercial one without approval. Such actions directly violate municipal laws and town planning regulations. Why illegal construction is a legal issue? Illegal construction is treated seriously under law because of its wider public impact. Structurally unsafe buildings pose a threat to human life. Unplanned constructions overload drainage, roads, and civic amenities. They also cause environmental damage, obstruct ventilation and light for neighboring properties, and infringe the legal rights of residents. Therefore, illegal construction is not just an administrative lapse, it is a violation of statutory duties and public interest obligations. Before filing a complaint, there are preparatory steps to be followed. Let's see those preparatory steps. It is essential to be prepared with a proper documentation before filing a complaint. Clear photographs and clear videos should be collected as evidence. The exact location and nature of violation must be noted carefully. Identifying whether the violation involves excess floors, planned deviation, or encroachment helps authorities act much faster and better. Maintaining a record of dates and developments ensures accountability and strengthens the credibility of the complaint. So, after those preparatory steps and after drafting a complaint, to which authority are we going to report it, or to which authority are we going to file these complaints? Here it is. Illegal construction can be reported to multiple authorities depending on the nature of the violation. For example, municipal corporations and local bodies are the primary enforcement agencies, whereas for larger projects, complaints may also be made to town planning authorities or RERA, which full form is Real Estate Regulation and Development Act, only for registered real estate projects. The choice of authority determines the speed and effectiveness of action. Follow up and legal remedies. Filing a complaint is only the first step. Citizens should regularly track the complaint using the reference number and escalate the matter if there is inaction. If administrative remedies fail, constitutional remedies such as writ petitions before the High Court are available. In appropriate cases involving public interest, a public interest litigation may also be filed to enforce compliance. Legal notice as a remedy, which is very important. A legal notice serves as a formal and effective pre litigation remedy. Issued through an advocate, it puts the violator on notice regarding the illegality of the construction. The notice outlines the violations, encloses the evidence, and demands immediate stoppage or removal. Often, this step alone compels compliance without the need for prolonged litigation. What are the action after the legal notice? Let's see into it. Upon receiving a complaint or legal notice, authorities may conduct an inspection. If violations are confirmed, a stop work notice may be issued. Depending on the severity, penalties may be imposed, and in serious cases, demolition of unauthorized construction is ordered. These actions uphold the integrity of planning laws. Let's see how the judicial authority has dealt with the report of illegal construction. The Supreme Court in Deepak Kumar Mukherjee vs. Kolkata Municipal Corporation 2013 5 SCC 336 clearly held that construction beyond sanctioned plans is illegal. The court emphasized that municipal authorities have a statutory duty to enforce building regulations and cannot regularize illegality in the name of equity. This judgment reinforces that rule of law prevails over private convenience. To conclude, illegal construction undermines lawful urban development and public safety. However, the legal system provides effective mechanisms for citizen enforcement. When complaints are supported by evidence and pursued diligently, accountability is ensured. Public awareness and lawful reporting are essential to preserve the rule of law in urban governance. Thank you.